Mm, mm. Hey, what's up, Investor Z? Looks like I'm having a hard time on both the Nasdaq and gold, or shit, gold and the ES. I'm having a hard time with this short on the ES, which it should be very clear, at least back to this trend line. I mean, it should be clear. We got price should be rejecting off the 200, but it's not. And this gold play, I mean, I'm in profit in this gold play, but it's kind of stuck in this little area right here. So, mm, looks like it wants to come back to my break even. It would be nice if they mm, okay. That's kind of action that I kind of want in this ES play, but it seems like the ES is doing what I want gold to do, and gold is doing what I want the ES to do. Like ass backwards right now. And I understand that gold has to do it. I guess she has to. She has to come and tap your break even at least once. She has to come and tap it. Mm, okay. Where's your POC at on your chart for gold? The crazy thing is that I tried to take advantage of that apex glitch where it lets you carry a position over to the next session. I had my limit sitting at 36, and I guess they must have fixed it because it straight up disappeared going into the next session. It straight up disappeared. And then, of course, it gaps up above my entry and moves without me. Of course. Hmm. 386.5. I mean, that's like right there, right? Yeah, right. Yeah, 386.5 is like right here. Mm. 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 Yeah, I mean, it's not the best feeling in the world. The feeling is not the best, but yeah, it happens. I watched this guy go crazy. So, uh, that same entry that we was in this morning with the ES, I saw a guy freak out on his stream with this move. He straight freaked out. And I'm like, dude, it was not that serious. He was trading the ES. He was in this trade. He just looked so unprofessional in terms of just freaking out. When I felt like the market didn't even do anything. It just kind of went straight up and then it grinded lower to the downside. Uh, the market didn't do anything that it doesn't normally do. This I'm not gonna say his name obviously, but it's very interesting that he kind of teaches his followers that news is just noise and just trade the reaction. And he was freaking out because Trump and she was talking, and he was just fumbling. And I was like, huh, that's so interesting. You got to practice what you preach. He knew that. I mean, obviously he said something about it, obviously afterwards. But I was like, dude, you kind of probably lost a lot of respect from a lot of the people that follow you because you was scrambling around like it was your first day on the job. And shit, that's this. Yeah, yesterday was just another Thursday, or yeah, earlier it was just another Thursday. This is normal price action. It barely did anything. This was a what is that? 70, so 30. It's a 36-point move on the ES. That's nothing. I mean, if the ES scares you, shit, don't ever go to the Nasdaq. Don't ever go to the Nasdaq if the ES scares you. I guess because I'm so used to the Nasdaq, these little small little baby moves that the ES makes, it doesn't. My heart doesn't even skip a beat. These are baby moves that the ES makes. Baby moves. But hey, you throw on a couple of contracts, you can get paid real easy on ES. So hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? What's up? I mean, I made so much money on gold and ES today. I can't believe I held myself back from both of these instruments for so long. I'm not gonna lie, that does look like a double top, but I think we can still push. I mean, I don't necessarily care for that red candle in a higher time frame. It doesn't look necessarily bullish. It does look more bearish to me. Like the bears could come in, but the bulls are holding it. So if the bulls are gonna hold it, then I'm gonna hold it too. And as I say that, how'd you do today, Cave Trader? How'd you do? I mean, you should. No disrespect, but it was just a bad look. It was not a good look. If people is looking up for at least confidence, you freaking the hell out. That's not a good look. You got all this selling, but shit, the ES ain't doing nothing. Come on, sell that shit, man. I mean, I got a tough decision to make here. This is the ES. You have the 21, the 50, and VWAP all pointing to the upside. And of course, it's way above my intended target at the bottom of this trend line. So I got a tough decision to make. Yo, congratulations on that, man. Keep them green. I kind of went a little bit crazy in my Tradify account, and unfortunately, I hit the daily loss limit in that account. Kind of went a little bit too crazy in it. I put out a little bit a little bit too much size, and one of my positions went against me, and that was all she wrote for that account. That's all she wrote. But right now, I'm in I guess you would call a fact finding mode where I'm getting adjusted to ES and gold. I mean, we've been trading gold for a while. We've caught a lot of great opportunities on gold. We're actually in a great opportunity with gold right now. A great opportunity with gold right now. I'm getting comfortable putting on size with both the ES and Nasdaq both ES and gold, because this is where, I mean, instruments like this, you can just identify areas and just put the size on. So, I mean, I'm still in that fact finding mode. I wasn't too upset. I wasn't too upset. Still kind of have to get used to this structured price action. And my goal isn't necessarily to pass accounts right now. My goal is to understand the process so I can take advantage of it, basically. Or no, it's not. I just I hit the uh or actually no, I think I got liquidated, I think. I think I got liquidated. I think I liquidated that account. I think. Let's see. You actually might be right about that. I'm making the assumption that I liquidated the account. But I may not have liquidated it. But I think I may have, because I was up in that account. Yeah, you might be right. I might have just hit daily loss limit. You're right. You're right. All right, let me see. Yeah, I might have just hit daily loss limit in it. Oh, so yeah, I did just hit daily loss limit. Okay, my bad. I thought I lost the account. All right, never mind. I lost it. Shit, hey, I'm with it too. Nah, she with me tonight, Investor Z. She with me tonight. She's with me tonight. She's with your boy Sherm tonight. Honestly, that's probably the best option, man. All right, ES. All right. Well, no, I just got bitches. I got options. I can trade anything. Oh, come on, E. Ah. Mm. I let these instruments know that you play around. I got options to play with. I got options. And they love the fact that I got options. They love that. They love it. So they can fight for my attention. It's like, yeah, it's like, look at my price action. I got a good, nice setup for you, Sherm. I got a good setup for you. Come get it. Shit, I'm on my way. It's like, you know what? That is a good pullback setup. Let me take that. Let me take that. That is a great setup. And Q, she don't get text back. She been texting me all night talking about she's sorry and shit. Nah, you good. You good. Talking about she wants me back. Um, yeah, all my levels today got hit. Let's look at that, man. All my levels on the Nasdaq got hit today. Beautifully. Look at this, man. This level got hit, or this level got hit. We got a rejection. This level got hit. We got a super rejection. It bounced at this level right here. We got a pop, and my level for tonight actually hit as well. So 495. We got priced to bounce at 495. We took about a couple of points in drawdown, but my 495 level, we got to bounce all the way to 600. So I'm happy about that. So this level was actually for tonight. This 495 level was for tonight, and we got the bounce that I was looking for. So I have to trade the extremes with the Nasdaq. If I have to trade the Nasdaq the way that I have the NA meeting set up, I'm not trading her. This is the safest way to trade her, is looking for the extremes, being patient, waiting for the pullbacks. You're basically trading the ES or gold or anything with structure. The Nasdaq just has a bigger structure, and you're kind of gambling with your account now if you're kind of trading in between these areas of support and resistance. So uh, there's better opportunities out there. I don't have to tolerate that, and I won't. I won't. Because I mean, shit. Just because I don't like that bitch no more, don't mean we ain't had history. We had history. We got a lot of history together. You know how that shit go. You know how it go. We got history. Even though I'm getting treated right, like a king by Golden ES. I mean, shit. The Nasdaq was doing it through the ups and downs. She was there. She was doing it. I mean, who else is going to pump up 5 million points and then come back to the break even so you can do it again? I mean, who else is doing that out here? Oh yeah, I got 90 contracts on. There's only 9 contracts. I mean, I'm probably going to switch to the full size ES maybe. Probably going to switch to the full size ES because, like I said, I'm comfortable trading size. I've always been comfortable trading size. It's just that I kind of downsize for the stream, but it's kind of foolish not to put on a lot of size with ES and gold. I mean, I got 50 contracts on gold right now. 5 contracts on gold right now. Are you long right now? Nas? I'm not trying to downplay y'all, Investor Z. I just I downsized a while ago to make the stream more relatable in terms of, you know, when people see all this size, you're like, oh my God, he's a gambler. He's gambling. No, I'm just comfortable with it. I always have been. I always have been comfortable trading size. That's why when y'all see me go on tilt, the first thing I do is like, fuck it. I'm going like 50 contracts. I'm going 50 contracts. I just let off the I just let the real side of Sherm go come out. Put on them all them put all that size on. I mean shit, Alfred no. Shit, Alfred been with me when I was doing the revenge trade strategy. I literally had an ATM strategy that was like revenge trade. And you talk about heavy size, short targets. Yeah, that was super heavy. 7 mini contracts on Nasdaq. Those were the days, huh? Hey, yo, what's up? Oh, you in the chat? I don't know if you're in the chat. Shit, Smith knows. Our boy Smith turned over to the dark side, though. He's no longer on our team no more. Hey, I guess if you're in the chat, I mean, I just opened up the chat, so if you want to join, but I'm cool with my cocaine. I'm cool with the cocaine. I ain't trying to go to fucking Breaking Bad and what is it called? Uh, meth, methamphetamines. Our boy went Breaking Bad. I'll stick with my good old cocaine. That's it. That Nas crack. That's it. But I'm putting that crack down. Putting it down. Investor Z, our boy Smith sat there and said some blasphemy to me. He said that he was in a gold position for 15 hours. I was like, no, you weren't. No, you weren't. Hey, what position? You're just saying that shit to be a hater. A gold position for 15 hours? Like gold don't be moving? Get out of here. Gold is all she works hard. She is always moving. I mean, honestly, I just don't want to do it. Ah, man. Oh, gold, don't come back to me. Don't come back. Gold, don't do it. Don't come back. We don't need you to come back. Keep on going. Damn. God damn. Damn. Okay. I mean, the Bears are super trying here. The Bears are trying. I don't like this candle. I don't like this candle. Smith wants to hate gold so bad. That's how you know that he's a NQ occultist. He's still in that toxic relationship with the NQ. Trying to downplay Gold like she ain't the baddest bitch right now. Gold is the baddest right now. Hey, no, I mean, dude, look how much she's. Well, obviously not tonight, but look how much she moves. She's just been moving all week, all month, just moving. Look at all this movement. Talking about he was in a trade for 15 hours. How? How? Or 8 hours? Yeah, he was in a trade for 8 hours. How? Doing what? Well, you didn't take profits and it came back against you? It's like, stop being a hater, bro. Stop, stop being a hater. Yeah.
I'm telling you, I wouldn't lie to you. I would not lie.
Uh-huh.
So what happened?
I'm trying to figure out where he was in a position for 8 hours. He said he was in gold jail for 8 hours. When? Where? Where?
Man, so look, I have to pull it up. I gotta pull it up.
I
But
mean,
it took way too long to make it move. I had a strong feeling of the direction it was gonna go. I was gonna go short last night, but that mess took way too long to get to where it was even going. And I wasn't even asking for much. You know, I was full port.
I mean, is there any other port? Shit. Alfred, I've never said that. I don't know what you're talking about, Alfred. I don't know. Maybe you went to maybe you got caught into an alternate universe where an alternate version of Sherm that still loves the NQ. He probably said that shit, but not me.
Wow. Yep.
So anyway, man, what made you join the dark side, man? Why'd you join the dark side, man?
Hey, I messaged you. I'm still holding, baby. I'm still in that position from this morning.
Yeah.
It ain't even really a dark side. I'm going back to my roots. How it all started.
It all started in Forex. You may be asking why. You see that guy gambling all his money? Yeah, that's me. I'm still holding. I'm hodling.
Nah, if this pair though, if it ends up doing what I think it's doing or what I think it's gonna do, well, probably for a good month or two. We'll see.
Damn, that long? Damn, Gold, I don't need you to do that. He said what?
See, look, currency pairs, they pretty much trend. You just gotta look at the overall trend and get in a good area and just ride the trend.
Ride the wave. 2 months though, huh? So what are you looking for to even take profits on the position? What are you looking for?
Well, I don't know. Well, first I told you earlier I was in a Euro USD trade, and I immediately clapped in it and lost like $20. I gotta get that back. So I started going through the different pairs and trying to see which one was looking at setup, and I was like, all right, I found me a pair that looked like it could potentially reverse and reverse the trend, but we'll see. Or at least a pullback maybe. So we'll see. I'm still in it though.
I mean, is there any other option?
I mean, I could have took profits.
What the hell is that? What's that? You're speaking a foreign language. When you're in Forex, we don't use terms like taking profits and stop losses and stopping out. The only thing that we know is riding the wave, baby. That's it. That's all we know.
That's what happened. That's what happened with my position in the Euro USD. I didn't close it out. The broker did.
They said, "Let me help you out, my guy. Let me help you."
Margin call. I was like, all right. I mean, it's basically a micro account considering what you have or the amount of capital you got to have in there. But I was like, whatever. Got to talking with my new best friend, Chat GPT. And it was like, hey, how much do I need? It was like, you gotta catch 5,000 pips if you want to make on one micro lot if you want to make $500. And like, Chat, that's pretty unrealistic. So instead, you should focus on smaller, consistent wins.
Your Chat GPT is telling you like, yo, you stop being a degenerate.
I like Chat GPT. Based on my account size, how could I make $500? What's the max leverage I could put on this thing? Get 5,000 pips. That's pretty unrealistic. Let's come up with a game plan.
Not Chat GPT talk about let's come up with a game plan. It's like, yo, hold your horses, my guy. Hold your horses.
I meant to tell you that earlier. That message is so funny. Let's come up with a game plan to get you there over time. Oh man. I was like, all right.
Get me there.
That's pretty unreal. Game plan. Chat GPT. Since you want to be funny.
You know, honestly, these AI tools, it's crazy. We was talking about it last night. Man, these AI tools are so helpful, especially with like remedial tasks. They're so helpful. You save a lot of mental resources. Did you know that you can actually take a screenshot of your chart, post it in a Chat GPT or one of these AI tools and ask it, hey, what do you think about it? Now, I'm not going to sit here and trade off the shit, obviously, but you can kind of get a second opinion on what the let's actually demo that. Actually, you can just kind of take a picture of the chart and ask it and ask it that's just taking a screen record and ask it what his opinions are.
Setup?
Yeah, actually, let's ask it. Shit, why not? See what it says. All right, ChatGPT, you kind of acting a fool right now.
Nah, so I'm long for the chat and everybody out there, in case you're wondering. I'm long USD CAD. And this mess rejected 3 times off the high. Creating, well, not the high of the session, but 3 times at this supply zone, creating a freaking triple top, triple wicks in the same exact spot. I'm like, who is manipulating this and holding it down? Alfred, not always. Dang.
Hey, hey, inverse assurance, find out. Shit, it's your account. It's your account. Shit. Okay, well. Hey, why is this thing going slow? Like, why is it doing that? ChatGPT is having a hard time.
Uh-oh. You ain't been trading what's up? Micro Bitcoin. What's up? I thought you could short on there. You could have took it short from 110 to 100. 100K.
Well, I kind of broke up with damn it. I kind of broke up with Bitcoin. It's too illiquid, man.
Yeah, it can be at times, yeah. In the free market and aftermarket, still could have caught 10,000 points on that mess.
Okay, so basically, so I sent it a picture of my chart, and it says that your chart shows a well-structured intraday ES trading setup with several key elements. Yada yada blah blah blah. Overhead resistance price is currently stalling at R2 and with a 200 moving average, which could act as strong resistance. Watch out for rejections for a clear breakout above 590 and 61 for a confirmation of further upside. So I should have my stop around 61.75. Market contracts intraday. ES has shown resilience in a series of higher lows,
So
but
what
the
do you think
market is
about it?
still. What are you talking about? What I think about what? What it's saying, or?
Yeah.
I mean, it's making its best guess. I mean, its guess is as best as good as yours. It's not magic or anything. It's just like, yes, okay, so we're making lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, I'll take that short. I'll take it short too, damn it. It's not like it's gonna be right. It's just only making, oh my God, go stop doing that. Stop. Hey man, I get bored, man. But I'm gonna stick with ES, man. I'm gonna stick with ES and gold. I think, at least for right now, there's a lot of opportunities on both of these. ES is moving how the Nasdaq used to move, and gold is moving how ES and Nasdaq moves now. So, what I've discovered about gold is that once you see a breakout, that's when we usually see these big moves where they kind of grind to the upper downside. Like once you see these breakouts, that's when the market tends to do this. And if the bulls can kind of hold that pullback, then we can see a continuation. But
Well, I took my NQ trade from both of us, and
you say you took it long?
yeah, I was long. Just scalping it up. I don't even know how much I made because I was trading on TradingView.
Oh, did you? Oh, were you?
Yeah, from my phone. So that's the thing. Nah. So I was like, yeah, I'll just have to log in and see.
Yo, that's literally the definition. If there's a will, there is a way. Man, I couldn't even think about trading on my phone, man. I couldn't even think about it.
If you had no other choice, you'd make it work.
Hey, like I said, when there's a will, there's a way. Hey, I ain't got nothing else, so shit, it's gonna have to work.
So TradingView lets you can log into your prop firm. Well, yeah, I logged into the Take Profit account. And that. Like I said yesterday, I didn't even realize. So I took that gold trade. I made 1,500. You know, it took all day. Had Alzheimer's and all of that. Gold was not using my break even, trying to run away. I was like, man, just complete the move. Like, you know, you trying to short right now. And then finally, it was like, okay, you're right. Went in my direction. Would have hit all my other targets, but I'm like, whatever. So I made 1,500 from gold after 10 hours of struggle. Then in back at New York Open, that's what I was sending you them screenshots and stuff about the NQ being the best thing. And I was like, oh damn, this still counts as the same day. I'm like, just because I went to sleep and woke up, this is the same training session. I was like, damn, I got to lose all this money now. Went to NQ, saw a pristine long about to happen, and I was like, damn. Let me short this long setup. I shorted it and lost the proper amount of money I was supposed to lose to stay consistent, and we're good.
Yo, it's crazy how you can see a long setup when you're trying to lose money. It's like, oh shit, that's a long right there. Let me short this so I can lose money. But when you're trying to catch the long, that's when the shorts work.
You know the mental gymnastics about it. I was like, damn, this thing's about to pump. Let me short this real quick. I shorted 3 contracts and got my intended results within a matter of seconds. I was like, all right, cool. I was up like, I think like 2,600.
2,600?
On the yeah, total on the day. You know, after that gold trade. And I was like, damn, this is the same session. I gotta lose money. And this was like 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I was like, dang. Like, shoot. What I remember. Didn't lock that in.
Well, hopefully,
so wait, you in 2 separate gold trades? Is that what I saw?
Yep. I'm in a gold trade. I'm in a ES trade, like a boss. Green on both of them.
I thought you was. Oh, you were short ES and long gold. Okay.
Yeah. This short is taking forever, man. This short is taking forever. Dude, dude, this is a literal short right here. I have no clue what the hell is holding this market up right now. But who's ever holding it up needs to stop it and get some damn help and let this market go down.
Yo, did you see the Tesla puts that were up like 5,000%?
Oh my god, dude. Why do I keep forgetting about that shit?
Bro, somebody had posted like, yeah, man, if you put 10,000 into this, you'd have been up 5 million today. I was like, no, because you know that's the play. Trump and Elon beefing.
Yep. Dude, I think Trump and Elon doing this shit purposely, man. He came out of nowhere doing shit. I think they're like, yo, we need some money, yo. Yeah, we need some money.
Yeah. I really do think is some behind the scenes coordination going on. Like, yeah, let's stir some drama, make this money real quick, make us a few M's.
Shit. They don't shit. You know they're gonna eat it up. It's like, yeah, Trump. I mean, dude, when you show me that, whoa, is this a daily chart? This can't be the daily chart. And this is okay. I was about to say, dude. I was like, dude, there's no freaking. Okay. But yeah, Tesla is just super drop. Look at this thing trending down. Yo, Elon is. I'm surprised they didn't let Elon like. Well, I mean, I guess, but man, Elon, you gotta go. Shit.
Surprised the board didn't kick him out, boot him as CEO yet, huh?
I mean, they tried, but I mean, shit, we all know. For whatever reason. You said what?
That's what I'm saying. Like, who would they get to replace him that has the same hype as, to get the stock going?
I mean, at this point, I don't know why that thing started glitching like that. I mean, at this point, Elon Musk is literally the only person. Dang. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So for a whole week. But honestly, what I should, well, this ain't financial advice or nothing. This is not financial advice, but we could see a big push on Tesla. We could. If the technicals hold up, because we got a break and we got this pullback into support. So this could have been, like I said, that whole Trump and Elon crap could have been like, yeah, we need people to sell out of their Tesla shares so we can get this pullback so the big boys can buy, because it's not a coincidence that it pulled back into this area of support. You got a range above us right here. So not financial advice, but this will be a great area to buy if the technicals hold up. The technicals hold. Let's look at that USD CAD, or is it bad juju if you look at it on stream? Going once, twice.
Shit, I don't care.
You're looking at it.
It's been freaking sitting in the same area.
Dude, you went long this? Yo, you long? No.
Wait,
you long this?
Dude, what are you looking at?
USD CAD, the daily.
No, no.
Hold on. This is what you long this?
I did. I long the bottom.
Bro, okay. Never mind. I'm not gonna take away it. Really? You long this?
Been long from this morning.
Well, I hate to kill your dreams, but I hate to kill your dreams, but you might wake up tomorrow and this thing might actually go down a little bit more.
And that's cool. I got my stops in place. So, I mean, I'm in profit. Mm-hmm. I'm in profit.
You're in profit.
Ooh, see the trend on, that's what I'm saying. You see the trend on these things if you zoom out, like, dang.
I mean, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, so you can hold for such a long time, and if you got like the proper size and everything, and they hell of like, look at that long before the short trend. Look at that long. Yeah,
we got a breakout, and now this will be probably a great opportunity to buy the pullback. Hopefully, you bought the bottom, man. But the one thing that I would probably have waited for was for price to get back above these short-term trends. I mean, this is just a daily chart, so you're kind of fighting the daily. The daily is super bearish, But
no, yeah, I see it. I looked at all of that before
before you took the trade.
Look at that. Yeah, look at that, man. You wait till I get this account proper sized, enough capital in it. You'd be like, dang, you still holding? It's been 3 months. Yep. Still in profit. It's still going.
Actually, let's check on the real baddest real quick. Gold USD. Let's look at that.
Oh, see, I can't. I can only do currency pairs. I can't. I can't trade none of that.
It's what a margin requirement. How much the margin requirement for gold USD? Let's look at that. Let's ask that question.
This is most of these legit U.S. brokers don't offer that.
Really?
Offer the crazy stuff. They know how degenerate people are.
Really?
Really?
Damn.
Nah, but I do see that level, and I would look for. That's what I'm saying. Let me measure this out. If you can catch that short, let's say you shorted from current price and got all the way back into demand. That's like 180 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Which depending on what your lot size is. That's another thing. That's why I had to chat GPT it up. Cause like you got standard lot size, mini lot size, and then micro lot size. I'm like, bro, just give me a contract. That's why I was like, damn, take me back to futures. Give me a contract.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to stick over there on Forex.
Yeah, but we'll see. That's why I was telling you, like, see if this trend reverses or it's going to go lower. I'm ready to hop out of it and take it short if necessary. So we see that demand down there.
Shit, I mean, with Forex, shit, you need a plan. You don't want to find yourself in a situation where, because it isn't Forex the same thing like with actually no, the broker liquidates you once you fill the margin requirements, right?
Yeah, that's what happened to me in my Euro USD trade. So I put on the max that I could for basically it was a full port for my account size.
Mm-hmm.
Trade went. First of all, you start off negative because of the spreads,
Mm-hmm.
which is insane. But then it went against me, and then they were like, "All right, that's enough of that, buddy." Boom, closed it, and then because my account size is so small, it was only a $20 loss, but that's kind of a big hit for the account.
Yeah. How much money? Shit, how much did you put in the account? If you don't mind us asking.
It's $200. I just threw it in there. I didn't know it was same day, and that's what I was telling you. I was like, they're like, "Hey, your account's been approved," blah blah blah. I was like, "All right, let me deposit." I probably a couple days. They're like, "Nah, you're ready to go." I was like, "Great."
He said, "Come
You
lose
lose
that
my
money."
before breakfast. You can lose your money before breakfast. Okay.
And you can deposit more. Yeah, the world is literally an online casino. That's what we talking about, gold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This guy Smith talking shit. Yeah, gold. Yeah, look at that.
Whatever. I see it slow creeping.
Oh shit, that was a wick just there.
You're in 54 contracts.
Yeah. 5 minis.
Why don't you just go to minis? Is it easier to manage with a lot of micros?
I mean, I started off with micros. Oh shit. Shit. Oh shit. Go, please. No, please. Go. Don't do it. Keep going. No, I might just go back to minis. You know how that shit is. I mean, I like the versatility, man. I hate the fact that you can't break up a mini contract, but It does look kind of unprofessional when you're in like 50, 60, 100. Dude, I was in 100 Nasdaq contracts before I blew that shit. I was in 100 contracts. I was like, she gave me this, like, she was like, I gave you the first one. And then I tried it again. She was like, nah, my guy, I'm gonna have to take that. I'm gonna have to take that, my guy. You push your luck on this one. Push your luck.
That's wild. I'm gonna have to add whatchamacallit, add a couple pairs to the tick strike.
Oh, does it? It has a, oh yeah, I think it does, doesn't it?
Yep, they got Forex tab. Yep. Yes, sir. So yeah, he's like, "What made you take that trade?" I was like, I was looking through all the different pairs, and I was like, okay, most of the moves I had missed on them, or most of them.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, all right, we might have bottomed out for a pullback because this thing is definitely still trending down. Like the shorts have been eating off of this. Like, you want to be a short? This is where you belong. we complain about it all the time in the future side, but you want to short? Go short you a currency pair.
You know, honestly, I think this is a clear situation of, I just want what I can't have, and if I can have it, I don't want it. If I could have it, I don't want it, because I could just go back and trade Bitcoin, because shit, every day is a bear day over there. Bulls got to work hard to get a damn thing going. They need a Trump tweet. They need Elon tweet. They need something over there at Bitcoin to get it going. But it's always a bear market over there.
Yeah, if you looked, because just the other day
it
was at
100. Oh, damn. My bad. Oh,
wow.
Come on, man. Oh, come on. That was unnecessary. You could have kept going. My bad. Go ahead.
That's still clean profit. Still good profit. You can still close out.
The fuck? What? What? You can close out of yours. You're in profit, right?
Totally different.
He's talking about it's totally different. This is a different situation. You're in profit too. No, it's different. It's different.
It is different. Waiting for the breakout. I don't care if it takes weeks. I don't care. I don't care for how long it takes. I want for the breakout to determine if this is a true trend reversal. No, yeah. I told you, I'm holding. We're gonna be eating off this for months. And I'm gonna be adding to the shit. And I'm gonna be adding to it. But if it's not what I think it is, then I get out. What was that? I need to see what kind of news affects these pairs, though.
Yeah, this is Apex, so this should come back down. I gotta. Yeah, that's right, Alfred. Yeah, only Smith and, well, you especially, y'all go to the church of taking profits. Blasphemous church.
What you supposed to do?
Taking profits before price hits your TP? Blasphemy. Blasphemy. Oh, gold. Oh, don't. Oh, gold. Oh, no. No, gold. Don't do this. Gold, come on, man. You didn't have to. You didn't have to do that.
You could have had clean profits over $1,000.
It hit my TV, man.
You was basically right there. You definitely should have closed that out.
Gold is just being nasty right now, dude. That was unnecessary, Gold. That was literally unnecessary. You didn't have to pull back to my break even like that. Thanks, yeah. Alfred. I needed that. Rub it all in. Yo. God damn. All right, so Shiznaz says the hourly. I mean, yeah, dude. I was looking at that candle all freaking day, man. And I'm like, God damn. I was hoping to at least get like a test of 3. I would have took it at 390. I'm surprised we didn't at least get that. Now it look like gold selling, man. That shit touch my break even, man. Damn. Yeah. Gold, I understand that you needed to do that. I understand, Gold.
Nah, look at that. Don't make
I understand. No. Nah. I'm being super sarcastic right now. I understand she needed to do that because she's nasty. She doesn't want me to think that she's not crazy and toxic. She's built up her reputation and she wants me to adhere to it. I get it.
Game recognized game. You looking real unfamiliar right now.
And both her and ES doing me dirty, man. That's so crazy, man. ES, God, ES, come on.
Chill.
Come on, ES. That is crazy, man. That's freaking crazy.
Chill out. All right, let's open up this MetaTrader. MetaTrader 4.
Damn, it's like that.
You know what? I should stream this.
You should.
I'll see if I can open up the stream tomorrow. I'll join you for sure. But yeah, okay. If this position's still going, I'll stream it. I gotta remember how to use this mess. I mean, I'm in the app. It's pretty self-explanatory in the app, but the desktop application, I ain't used it in freaking like a decade.
Oh, really?
More. Let's see.
I guess me and 90 contracts in both ES and gold. Shit, fuck it. We doing it.
You said them Apex accounts. You better not play around with that.
This is one of those. Nah, this ain't the account. I mean, I built the account to like 9K, but I'm kind of gambling in it now. Don't know why, but I am kind of gambling in it. But
PA or eval?
It's an eval. I lost both of my PAs on Monday. As soon as I purchased the damn thing, lost both the motherfuckers, man.
Oh, is that the ones you was telling me about?
Yeah, with Nasdaq. Yeah, and even though I said I wouldn't, even though I said I'm not trading the Nasdaq, the first thing I do is trade the Nasdaq. What the
fuck? That's how it always is.
I'm going to be professional. I'm going to manage my risk. I'm going to take only A+ setups, and then I throw on fucking 50 contracts on fucking Nasdaq hoping for a pump. Pure degeneracy, yo. Pure degeneracy. Lost both the accounts in the same session.
Dang.
Yeah. All I can do is laugh about it, because if I don't laugh about it, I'll be mad about it. So that's why I deleted her off my charts, because she was supposed to do the opposite. Like I said, she gave, like, man, I made 5K, but you already know how that shit go. Damn. I'm only 2K away from making 7,500 to get rid of the trailing drawdown. And you already know it was after that. You know, that shit was done.
Mm-hmm.
You know what, Gold? I get it. I get it. I get it, Gold. I get it. I get it. Instead of hitting my targets and seeing me win, you rather come all the way back down and, you know, and take my stop out. I get it, man. I get it. I get it.
We don't just want his money. His happiness too.
We made him happy. It's not what we do. We don't want just his money.
Bro, I swear that's how I felt that one day. I was like, damn. When I caught, I caught that super pump.
Mm-hmm.
And then it finishes out the day at my targets. Oh man, they took my happiness that day. Oh, I'm not gonna even hold you. NQ took my happiness for sure. Bro, I was up like $330 on one micro contract.
Oh, really? $330? Dude, how much points was that? $330.
I don't even remember. I didn't add into it, just one micro contract.
And you was up 165 points. Around 165.
And then she dropped all the way down past my break even.
Damn.
I mean, I closed out before it, but I was so defeated. And then she, like I said, slow grinded back up to the top and then finished out the day at like 21,570 or 5 something. I was like, man.
Damn.
Took my happiness.
It's like, nah, my guy, you can't get this. Dude, I like honestly, in hindsight, when you look at the charts, it was like, man, these setups are so obvious. What is it that I mean, I understand there's uncertainty, but what is it about uncertainty that when you look at the charts in real time, you're like, damn, I don't know. But then when you look at the damn charts after it's done and the candles are printed, you're like, yo, that was a clean A+ setup. Why didn't I not take it?
Yeah. Why? I don't know.
But kind of piggybacking off of that, I was talking at the beginning of the stream. So I'm a part of this. When I first started trading, I did pay for this guy's private room. He has like lifetime access. So today I was like, I forgot I had this shit. Let me actually, check in on him, right? And I was saying that he was freaking out, man. Like, dude, I guess because I'm a Nasdaq trader. When the Nasdaq made this little pump earlier when Trump and Xi was talking earlier in today's session, so the Nasdaq made this little pump. Yo, he's completely freaked out, and I know his members was like, bro, like you can just tell he was like completely freaking out. Like he was mismanaging his position. He got into a position and he was afraid to hold it, and he took profits early just for it to shoot up. I mean, he was going in the right direction, but he was fearful. Now, I can understand, like, if you're selling confidence to people, if you're supposed to be the leader, the mentor, the guru, whatever, and you're supposed to give your followers confidence, I can understand the pressure of, taking a losing trade. But when you're fearful like that and you're projecting that fear to the people that's following you, I was like, man, yeah, obviously there's nothing that I can learn from this guy, because shit, I mean, I could take a loss, but shit, we're going to hold to that fucking target, damn it. We're going to hold to it, damn it. And once that target hits, you'll be like, damn, I'm so glad I held it. So glad I held it. That's why we don't take profits before TP, because it's blasphemy. And it makes it, and to be completely honest, it just made them look weak. Now, I mean, I can understand that, some people could say, well, you were just up 2K and you got stopped out. Yeah, that's fine. But, hey, shit happens. Shit happens. But damn it, I was going to hold this shit until TP. Damn it. It just didn't work out this time. I mean, shit, if anybody is following me, you can take your profits whenever I'm usually in profit all the time. So it's like, I mean,
yeah,
I don't necessarily want anybody to follow me, but hey, if you're going to take profits with me, just know that it could come back and stop me out like it just did. but I'm usually always in profit. So it's like it's not about the profits, it's about the targets. I don't care for the profits at all. Now I hate when I blow accounts and shit, obviously, but hey man, it is what it is. It is what it is. A gold.
Yeah.
That was dirty though. That was super dirty. Yep. What's up, Pablo?
Yeah, I'm gonna figure out this MetaTrader, and then I'm oh, they got a tick chart. Hold up.
You know that almighty tick chart. That
Oh, that's not what I was thinking. Never mind.
almighty tick chart. Well, I mean, gold hurt my feelings tonight. And she ain't had to do that shit. She hurt my feelings. I mean, I guess I could have taken the profits. I mean, I guess I could have. I mean, I just thought that my target is up here, but remember, I got a trailing stop. So, I mean, that's why I don't necessarily move it. All I needed to do is move a couple of a certain amount of points, and then my trailing stop comes up. I think it may have missed. So I was in at what 81. I forgot where I was in at. I mean, it was a decent entry too. It was a clean entry. Clean entry. It's just that for whatever reason, gold felt the need to take me out. Damn it, bitch. My grandma gave me that limit. My grandma gave me that stop. Now, if I wake up and I see gold push, mm,
No, just hurt.
mm, well,
Yeah, did you get any sleep? Yeah, of course. Why you ask? Bro, you looking how long? You been staring at them charts all night?
he says, "What time you go to bed early?" Why you ask? Well, ES, you're my only salvation for tonight. You're my only salvation. I'm gonna need you to drop down and hit that target, and do what gold did for whatever reason. Now, I mean, I understand. I mean, gold was. I mean, I was looking at the higher time frame charts too and saw that gold was potentially going to drop, but I mean, I thought it was going to go a little bit higher. I wanted it to go a little bit higher. That's the correct way to say that. I wanted it to go a little bit higher. Top Step is too expensive, Alfred.
Oh, Top Step.
It's just too expensive for me. Yo, if gold pushes up, yo, me and gold breaking up, man. We breaking up if she push up. We breaking up. Like, no shit. Like, we breaking up for real this time. You know what, Pablo? My trading style and their intraday trailing drawdown just does not mix. I'll tolerate it with Apex because their evals are cheap. Take Profit Trader and that intraday trailing drawdown. I'll just be giving my account to them the first day. I'm not even going to sit here and I mean, in order for me to get past that trailing drawdown, I will need a series of really great straight to target trades.
You can take profit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like you to be better than what you think.
You said what?
It's the same way with Apex, basically.
Yeah, but it's
once
cheaper.
you hit your,
I mean, shit. After a while, shit, these Apex accounts be gone after a while. You acting like, I mean, I pass some of them, but some of them just go the way of the dodo bird because I just refuse to take profits on some days. But then at the same time, I was only trading Nasdaq, so I was trading Nasdaq. But now that I'm trading ES and gold, maybe it'll be something I'll start to consider. What if I can get the results I want trading ES and gold, then I'll consider getting a take profit account, take profit trader. Because I know they got the daily payouts, but you gotta wait 5 days and all that.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll see. We'll see if he. Oh, dude. Okay. Why does this thing keep making me grab my? You know what? Fine, fine, fine. I can't believe that stupid shit did that. It grabbed everything. It just grabbed my range out, and I didn't even. I don't even know where this range even came from. I don't even know. But I don't want to take the time to lock them down. I don't want to lock these down. At the same time, I shouldn't be grabbing them either. All right, man. Whatever, man. Whatever. I'm not gonna look for them. Maybe this is a good opportunity to delete some of these ranges. Then we got non-farm payroll tomorrow too.
Ooh.
We got non-farm tomorrow.
Maybe that'll be my the thing that'll pump these pairs.
Good afternoon, Lambo. Good afternoon. Lambo. Roadhouse.
All right. Well,
Roadhouse. Roadhouse. Roadhouse.
Oh, okay. Okay, Gold being a senior citizen right now. Oh, how about that?
Oh, that's interesting.
Go NQ go.
Oh,
go NQ
shit.
go.
That's interesting. Someone calling Gold a senior citizen when the Golden Girls hasn't done anything in the last 8 hours.
What chart is that? Which time frame or tick frame?
Are you talking about this right here? Your senior citizen, the Golden Girls. This is 30 minutes. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for 3 hours, your Golden Girl has only moved. Yeah. Okay.
Funny.
Nah, Gold,
You're
you
funny.
better.
I'll get off here so I get some sleep and I'll join you tomorrow.
Man, this guy ain't getting no damn sleep, man. He ain't getting no sleep.
I am. I told you my position is protected.
Wow.
Now, am I going to be hurt if it pulls back and stops me out? Of course.
Damn, gold is like that.
AUD, USD, Australian dollar versus the US dollar, or Euro USD. Okay. Bar down, we're going to make that white. White. Full candle. Dodger blue. Mask line. Stop levels. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, that looks good. Color scheme. Open, high, low, close. Show ask line. Chart auto scroll. I don't need that.
All right, gold. All right, man. All right. All right, man.
Go volume. That kind of doesn't help me for nothing. Yeah, this stuff is hella weird.
I can't even sing that song anymore. Not after the Diddy tapes dropped. I can't sing that song no more.
Take that, take that.
Take that, take that. That is so hilarious because it's so true. Nice try, Diddy. I heard you like to party.
Bro, when you look back at some of the wild stuff that this man has said, like, it's just crazy.
Yeah, it is, dude. It's hilarious, too. Because I don't understand why anybody in that courtroom is in there lying like they weren't willing participants. Everybody was consenting adults. Y'all, I mean, it was embarrassing. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's some crazy ass shit that honestly, I wouldn't be a part of anything like that, but I can understand how that can destroy somebody's reputation. And the only way someone would get away with that is to claim that they were a victim of Diddy. But I mean, shit. Y'all heard how this man parties. Y'all heard what goes down at his damn parties, and y'all showed up anyway. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Nobody want to hear that shit. Y'all showed up. It wasn't his first party. It wasn't the first one. And now all of a sudden, everybody acting like, oh, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, okay, all right. Everybody was consenting adults in that situation. Heard you like the party.
I heard you like to party.
Oh yeah, I guess before we got off the stream, just talking about that, yo, that was crazy that Elon Musk came out and said that shit about Trump publicly. That is some crazy shit. About the Epstein list, talking about Trump was on it. Yo, don't you think that makes you look bad by saying some crazy ass shit like that? Like by saying that Trump was on the Epstein list, that makes you bad. That makes you just as bad in association because you fought harder than anybody to get this man elected. So why would this man come out and say that shit? And he's wondering
Yeah.
why the stock is just tanking right now because, dude, you look unstable. You're throwing a
Yeah, he
tantrum
thought he was
because, oh, go ahead.
thought he was cooking with that one.
Yeah, it only made you look bad. It didn't make Trump look bad. Everybody they already got their opinions about Trump. Either they like this man or they don't. And if they like him, he can do no wrong. There's nothing you can say to convince someone that sees Trump as the quote unquote savior of anything differently. And those that see Trump as the most evilest person in the world, you can't change people's opinions like that by anything you say. But he was throwing a tantrum because the person that he wanted to run NASA, Trump picked somebody else, and now you're throwing a tantrum. Like, dude, it just makes you look like a man child. That's all it makes you look like. I didn't get my way. I didn't get my way. Like, what? That's what it sounds like. He says, "You mean people don't volunteer?" Shit. He didn't have those 1,000 bottles of oil for no reason. Shit, that bottle served a purpose. Domain expansion, infinite oil.
Infinite oil. Yeah, that was crazy.
Infinite oil. Infinite oil. Man, Gold, that was nasty, man. That was complete nastiness, man. That was that was complete nastiness, man. Yeah. I guess if you trade gold, you got to accept, you know, stuff like that happens. I know my girl was like, "You say he's gonna get done at 10." Well, shit, gold kept me in. My V girl. I ain't deserve that.
Yeah.
I ain't deserve that, Alfred. I mean, this ain't an account that. I mean, I guess I kind of gave this account to the wins, but I would like to keep this account. But I mean, if it goes, it goes. But hmm. You know, as much. Well, oh yeah, because I had the trailing drawdown, so I might be close. That stupid trailing drawdown. I might have maybe 2 or 3K left at the max because I'm down 3K now. Yo, if gold pops up and hits my target, oh shit, no, I'm breaking up with her. Yeah, I ain't gonna see her tomorrow. I'm deleting the chart tonight if she hit my target after all that coming back and stopping me out. Bullshit. But okay, I'm out of time, guys. I gotta go. I know my girl's gonna be like, you're supposed to be done. You're supposed to be in the bed with me. Blah, 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 blah. I'm working, damn it. I'm working.
Gold was calling me.
I don't recall ever saying that, Alfred. I don't recall saying that Gold was the baddest bitch in the game. I don't recall that.
Everyone's shame.
But all right, guys, we'll definitely come back tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie, man. Gold kind of pissed me off by not taking my damn target, but But all right, we'll definitely come back tomorrow, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.
Peace.